Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the area safe. Unplug the washer and close the hot and cold valves to prevent water flow. Next, remove all clothes and pull the machine forward so you can reach the back and front. Keep a towel and flashlight handy. Now, locate and remove the detergent drawer or back panel screws with a screwdriver. This gives direct access to the drum lip where nets commonly snag. Do this to reveal the trapped net so you can, once the panel or drawer is open, inspect the drum lip, door boot, and pump filter area to find where the net is caught. You want to see whether it's wrapped around the drum edge or pulled into a gap. Use needle nose pliers to gently pull and feed the net back out. When it's tightly twisted, make a small cut in the net to relieve tension, but not the fabric. Move slowly so you don't damage the seal or push the net deeper into the machine. After freeing the main piece, check and remove any small fragments from the pump filter and drain hose. This prevents clogs. Reinstall the drawer or back panel and reconnect power and water, then run a short rinse cycle to verify normal spinning and draining. Make sure the drum spins freely and there are no unusual noises. If the washer still won't drain or you detect resistance in the pump, stop. You may need to clear the pump housing or call a technician to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.